Kikubuat hati paman nakasngi Skobha subscribe ya Udon Bok Official Production. Ka Kenhuan Menteri trong ka Sarkar Jela kala ai ka Jing Mencur ban pencelan ya ka samai terekam trong ki Arteli ki Autonomous District Council kata ka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council bat ka Chanche Hills Autonomous District Council dah henriu benai ya kene la mencur da ka Kenhuan Menteri ha ka Jing Yalang ka pelolong ha ka Sengi Thoding kata ha ka Alterik Urempang Arajar Apsau bat hapen bena ya kene karai hading ka Jing Yalang ka Kenhuan Menteri usembut Menteri Rangba ubah Preston Tunsong udepet ya katenat District Council Affairs ulang ya kane karai ensapha syaulat ban ai ya kajing mencur ubah Preston Tunsong ulang bakarai ban pencelan ya ka samoi terdekam jong kini ki Alteli ke District Council kadai halol ka nongrim ba kini ki Alteli ke District Council kirang don ha kajing penbet ya ki sindong ha ki constituency ba pher lengba ki delimitation community trong baro Alteli ki District Council kabala thau haus nam baladap kat kum kacing aibor trong ulat kecelah ula ongru bagi neki delimitation community ki lapan por ban pendep yaki kam habakai day bakacing penbet thama yak snong haki constituency kumta nakaliang ki executive committee trong baro Alteli ki District Council kilapha kacing kerpat syaka Sarkar Jela lang baka tenat DCA ban nakaliang ke Sarkar hadin bakala kemi penia yakane kelawan ra syaka Kenhuan Menteri kebalarai ban pencelan syua ya ka samoi terekam cang baro Arteli ki District Council dah kumba nreu benai ka samoi terekam cang kini ki Arteli ki District Council kan kut ha ka santarik uleber arca apsau bat kane kacing pencelan ya ka samoi terekam dah nreu benai kan sedang nadu kate kesngi Shushu ulayatho baki delimitation committee trong ka KHADC bat CHADC kidang tre ya ka kam kebadai ban pendap bat penbet thama yak snong kitau haki constituency ba pher trong kite ki Arteli ki Autonomous District Council bat dakan ne kacing mencur ban pencelan dah nreu benai ya ka samoi terekam trong kini ki Arteli ki District Council ka election sayeng darbar trong ka KHADC bat CHADC kan empat lak banlong hado banda Shimrai Biang da ke Sarkar Jong Kecelah.
Number 2 came in from the Department of DCA, District Council Affairs Department, where the proposal was for the extension of the terms of both Khasi and Chanche Hills District Council. So I wanted to explain here. I think if you could recollect, last year towards the end of 2023, the Honorable Governor has granted both the District Council for constitution of the Delimitation Committee, and this Delimitation Committee is on the job as per the prescribed guidelines done. And recently both the District Council again they have sent the proposal to the state government